Hello friends, as you see this part has been completed, so I will just hide it. Okay, now I want to do this part program. Okay, so what I have to do, I will come in part navigator. Okay, then this is my workpiece one, you can see here. Okay, you can see, but now I want to create the second workpiece. Okay, so what I will do, create geometry or same MCS. Okay, MCS no need, or MCS also need. Okay, this is geometry. I want to just rename MCS to. Okay, then okay, click on over it, or I want here select invert option, or this plane is my invert. Okay, assembly, this is my second part of the plane, or I will just automatic plane 120 mm. Okay, then okay, this is my MCS2. You can see here, create geometry. I want to create workpiece 2. Okay, in the MCS2 I will create workpiece 2. You can see. Okay, so what I have to do, I want to specify part. Okay, this is my part, then okay, or specify blank bonding block. Okay, so this is our material, you can see here. Okay, then okay, or okay, so this is our workpiece 2, you can see here. Now I want to create program 2. This is our workpiece 1 program. Okay, so I will generate program 1. Okay, program 1. Okay, you can see. Okay, or in the NC group, create uh, insert program group. Okay, or mill contour is okay. This is NC program. Okay, so now I want to do program 2. Okay, click OK, or okay, you can see there is a program 2 has been come. Now I will do the program. So this is our part, you can see. Okay, so what I want to do, first I want to that outer roughing. Okay, outer roughing program, there is a like a ready chamber, so I want to do chamber program. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to do create operation, I will commit. Okay, will contour I will check, or Z level profile is good for that, or I will use 10 mm, or this is my workpiece 2, or this is my rough program. Okay, workpiece 2 1 10 mm or rough. Okay, or a specify cut area, so this is our area, you can see. Okay, okay, so this is our area, I am doing cutting, then click OK, or depth of cut about 0.1. Okay, 0.1 I will take it. Cutting parameter, film cut I want to use mix cutting. Stock I want 0.1. Okay, flow stock no need. Connection I will use direct on part. Okay, none cutting move I will choose it. I will use none. Transfer rapid I will use automatic plane 120 mm. Okay, this is my previous plane 0.5. Okay, or this is my in lift and plunge. Engage, retract, no need, none, no need, none. If I will choose none, that means cutter will be broke. I or maximum time I'm using NX, so I also feel like that if I choose the none, then it will be broke. Engage and retract, you can use it. Transfer rapid, you can use it. Previous plane. This is very safe though. I'm using now. Or feed rate 2000, RPM part 2400. Click OK, attended the program. So this is our program like that. Okay, this is our rough program, you can see here. Okay, so I just want to generate the program. Do dynamic fine, this is our, you can see chamber has been come. Okay, click OK, then OK. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to do floor finishing program, create operation, or mill planner I will use it. Okay, so there is a finish floor. Okay, or I want to use 25 pull for floor finishing workpiece. I want to floor finish to 25 pull floor finish. Okay, then click OK. Specify part boundary. I will specify the boundary curve you can choose here. Okay, I want to specify the part like that, edge of the mold design, or this part, or this part, or like that, this part. Okay, then OK. Specify blank boundary curve. Okay, just select and over it, then OK. Or specify floor. This is my floor. Okay, okay. Just generate the program. The particular part cannot cut at any level. Okay, so what I have to do, cutting level, cutting parameter, floor only. Okay, user defined. No, floor only is good. Okay, so there is no stock, that's why I'm not putting. Okay, no problem. Workpiece I will commit, or specify blank, or bonding body is there, or I want to just create one point two upside. Okay, so there is our material. Sorry, which side come point to? Suppose I want one. Okay, so there is okay. Then over click on over it. Then okay. Or this program I want to generate tool path, accept part. Both program I want to generate. Okay. So what is you want to say that not generating a program? Why? Specify floor. Okay. So this is our floor. You can see. I want to do one upside. Okay. Then okay. Or generate. The part cannot be cut at any level. Why, brother? Follow parapary. Tool I have selected it. Specify floor. Already I have specified the floor. Or specify check boundary. Specify blank boundary. Okay. So this is our boundary inside. Tool inside this floor. Outside if I will take. This is specify. Just click on over it or try to generate program. The no material is defined to be cut around Iceland. Okay. So inside is okay. Automatic plane. Close area. Okay. Or specify part boundary. This is our part boundary. Okay. This is cutter is to outside. I will take inside. Then okay. Or generate the program. So this is how the program has been generated. You just need to see, be careful. If you mistake in anything like that, so program will not be generated. Okay, so this is our floor finishing program. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to do this this fold interpolation. Okay, interpolation. I will take diameter about this diameter is 30 mm. Okay, so I don't want to do, I don't want to take I don't want to waste the time about this program. Okay, just click on over it, copy, paste inside. Okay, so here we can work it. This is our, I will just cut it everything like that. Okay, or just click on over it, then click it, generate the tool path. Okay, so this is our CD tool path, center drill, as you said, spot drill. Okay, rename 3 spot drill. Okay, spot drill CD, whatever you want to see. Spot drill, center drill, and drawing CD. Okay, okay, rename spot drill. Okay, now I want to do drilling. Okay, so just copy over it, or here paste inside. Okay, you can paste it, or click other side, or take a rename 3 or 4. Okay, 4 interior drill. You can use it, you can use whatever. I want to do, so you can use whatever you want, because you want to do 30 mm bore. Okay, or I will take this face, this is okay, then okay, or I will modify that this I don't modify this part, sorry, I will create new cutter, or hole making I will take it. Okay, This is a standard drill. I want 28 drill. Okay, this is our 28 drill. Then okay, or generate the program. You can see this is our program like that. Then okay, we will click it, or I want to do interpolation. This is our finishing program. You can see here. So I will just copy over it, or this part I want to paste inside. Okay, so I will come here, or cut area I will specify. So this is our cut area. Mill finishing, this is okay. So no need to change anything like that. The cut area item does not belong to the part number. Okay. So what do I want to call it? Oh, sorry. This is our part number is okay. Then what? What's going on, bro? Okay. Sorry. Okay. The cut area item does not belong to the part number. Okay, no problem. I will generate new program. Okay. Click on it. Insert. Operation. Mill contour. Z level profile. Okay. I want to use 10 mil. So I'll check where is that 10 mil. I'll check it. This is our 10 mil. Okay. Workpiece. Mill finishing program. Okay. 5. 10 mil. Finish. Then click OK. Cutting area like that. Okay. Or I want 0.2. So this is our program. You can see here. Just I will change over it. Cutting parameter will come. This is claim cut is okay. I will use stagger ramp on part. 3%, 4%. You can use it whatever you want. Okay. Or I don't want any types of stock. So there is a 0. Or feeder what about? I want to use 1200 for 2500 or 3000. I can use it for finishing program. Okay. Click OK or generate it. Okay, so this is our finishing program. You can see here. Now what I want to do, there is a end mill rough. Just copy over it or paste inside. Okay. Then click OK or need to be finished program. Okay. What I want to do, I want to use bull cutter as well as possible. Okay. You know why? I'm using bull cutter. Finishing will become very good. So I will use 6 bull R.5. Okay. Or this is our 2000 1800. Okay. Then click OK or 3900 enough. So this is our finishing program. You can see here. Okay. Okay. There is a 0.5. Okay. So I will take orientation view front. I will check it. There is a stop. Okay. No, there is no touching in the job. Okay. But if you want to change, you can change it. Or transfer rapid previous plane 0.5 between region. Okay. So I want 1 mm. Okay. Click on it or generate. I think there is a 1 mm. Previous plane 5 mm. Okay. Okay, you can generate here. So our tool now, our non-cutting bomb move will not be touch the face job face. Okay. So this is our second part program. Okay. Just rename it 6 bull finish. Okay. So our program has been completed. As you can see, I will come in part side, or I will on this part also. Okay. The both side program has been completed. As you can see, I will come here. Okay. Suppose I will click on over it. This is our program. Or I want to click on over it. So this is our program. Okay. So this is the assembly program as you are watching. Okay. Now I want to create my second program like that. This plate. Okay. This plate has only same hole. Okay. So I will create it. Okay. So don't worry. This is the push. Okay. No need. Okay. I think this is screw bush. I need to be run. Okay. I will run it. This is the riser model. Okay. I will tell in the next video. Okay.